Good morning. Myself Sandeep Chandkote. I am from BLD College of Pharmacy, Vijaypur. My research title is Evaluation of Neuroprotective Property of Citrus Pulp Powder in Scopolamine-Induced Zebrafish Model Amnesia. The abstract is the present work is evaluated the neuroprotective property of citrus pulp powder at a different doses 50, 100, 200 using the scopolamine-induced zebrafish model. So in our present study, the neuroprotective activity was assessed using a novel tank test of swimming behavior was recorded. So here the administration of sample was shown the significant increase in the number of entry on the top and number of the time spent in the top, and the significantly decreases in the number of entry at the bottom and time spent in the bottom. We also evaluate the biochemical parameters like acetylcholine and MDA. The treatment of citrus pulp powder at a different doses has shown the decrease in the acetylcholine and as well as MDA. So introduction, the Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative disease. So it is associated with age-related, and the characterization is memory loss and dementia. Due to the Alzheimer's disease, the progressive loss of cognitive abilities as well as the behavioral disturbance. The zebrafish model was assessed already in some more literature, and it also used for the in vivo model to induce the Alzheimer's disease for the screening model, And the citrus pulp powder or citrus lemon is evergreen tree. So it having a rich in the vitamin C and the flavonoid. So it also shown the improvement of neurological functions. So here the methodology. So we are collected the collection of CPP. The citrus pulp powder was collected from Mayview Ingredients, one of the industry in Tamil Nadu. So the powder was collected, and the powder was subjected to phytochemical screening, and we are done the phytochemical screening by referring the Kokate book, and the acute oral toxicity study was done using the OECD guidelines 203, and it is adopted in 2019 June. And the novel tank test, the behavioral study was done using the novel tank test. So we have groups. So here normal, control, standard, and the 3 different doses of citrus pulp powder. So that is 50 mg, 100 mg, and 200 mg. So it is selected depend upon the acute toxicity study. So this is a schematic diagram of CPP treatment. Here, the every 3 days we have exchanging our water, and at the 7th day we are conducted the NTT test, and at the 4th day we are conducted the acute oral toxicity up to 4 days. So day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. So here we are calculated the mortality percentage, and at the 9th day we are conducted the biochemical parameters, and the animal sacrificed and brain was collected, and we are evaluated the acetylcholine and MDA. From this methodology, we have got the result. First one is the phytochemical investigation. So here we found that the tannin, alkaloid, and flavonoids having a rich in our sample, and the acute oral toxicity was done for 4 days. So here we are collected the percentage mortality at first day, second day, third day, and fourth day, and we found that 312 has shown the lethal dose parameters was shown in the our citrus pulp powder. That is the number of entry on the top and number of the time spent in the top is significantly increases as increase in the concentration. So and we also found that the CPP 200 mg has shown the more significance, and as well as standard also shown the more significance in the number of entry on the top and time spent in the top, and as well as parameters such as acetylcholine and MDA. So we are here we found that that shows the decreases in the acetylcholine level and MDA level. It increases the CPP. It increases the concentration. So here we found that the standard and 200 mg of our sample has shown the more significance as compared to normal. So in this study we also done all this comparison with the control, normal only. And conclusion and summary. From this we studied the acute toxicity, found that 312 mg per L is safe to use for the zebrafish, and we also assessed the and evaluated the different parameters, and we shown that the significant increases in the top in the number of entry and number of time spent. And so these are the reference which I used for this study. Thank you. Stop.